If you think your Android phone might be infected with malware, apps crashing or battery draining too fast or maybe weird pop-ups, so don't worry about that. Here's how you can clean it up. So first and basic easy way is to boot into safe mode. For that you have to press and hold the power button like you are turning off your phone, and then tap and hold power off button until you see safe mode. You have to tap OK to reboot. In safe mode, third-party apps are disabled. This helps you find out if there's any issue caused by something you have installed. And if your phone works fine in safe mode, it's likely a bad app causing trouble. You can simply reboot into normal mode and uninstall third-party apps one by one to see which one is causing the issue. And the second step is to uninstall suspicious app. For that you have to go to settings or apps and notifications, or you can simply uninstall from your home screen. You have to look through each app, and if you don't remember installing it, especially with the apps having no names or weird icons or even tons of permissions, tap on the suspicious app and hit uninstall. And you have to repeat this process for any app you don't trust. If nothing is helping, you can install a malware scan. Head to Play Store and search for trusted antivirus apps like Bitdefender, AVG antivirus or Malwarebytes. Install one and run a full scan, and it will clean up anything which is harmful. And the last step is to clear your cache. This will help you remove leftover junk or scripts that could be causing issues. And if nothing is working and malware is still stuck around, back up your important data and do a factory reset. For that you have to go to settings and then system and reset and factory data reset. And that's it. Your phone should now be clean, smooth and malware free. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more mobile security tips videos. And thanks for watching.